What's up, folks, and welcome back to Dyce Reacts. Back at you with another banger. Yes, folks, I'm in AceTheHeart studio, and today I am gonna be doing plenty of bangers. AceTheHeart is in the building. He's a little tied up, you know, not literally tied up, but he's a little caught up. He's a little busy this morning. So I'm gonna try to get him in at least one banger. Not sure. See what I can do for you guys. Yes, but we are gonna be checking out Stewart. The name of the track is called The Year of the Cat. This is gonna be off the chain. Something tells me this song is gonna be off the chain. So we ain't gonna waste no more time. We're just gonna get right into it, folks. We're gonna get right into it. Oh yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Love the intro! Wow! Was not expecting this kind of beat.
Strolling through the crowd like Peter Laura contemplating a crime. She comes out of the sun in a silk dress, running like a watercolor in the rain. Don't bother asking for explanation, she'll just tell you that she came in the year of the cat.
Oh my goodness! We'll take it back a bit, folks. I love this plane right there. Ooh, it's so sweet, man, and it's so out of the box, man.
She doesn't give you time for questions as she locks up your arm in hers, and you follow till your sense of which direction completely disappears. By the blue tiled walls near the market stalls, there's a hidden door she leads you to. These days, she says, I feel my life just like a river running through the year of the cat.
Guys, I'm loving it. Ah! Who is this guy?
Well, she looks at you so coolly, and her eyes shine like the moon and the sea. She comes and says, I'm patchouli. So you take her to find what's waiting inside the year of the cat.
Woo! This is so sweet. Yeah. Woo! Guys, this song keeps getting better and better. Gotta take it back. What the? has everything, man. What? What is the track? The yell of the cat.
One comes and you're still with her. On the bus and the tourists are gone. And you've thrown away your choice and lost your ticket, so you have to stay on. But the drumbeat strains of the night remain in the rhythm of the newborn day. You know sometime you're bound to leave her, but for now you're gonna stay in the year of the cat. Year of the cat.
What a track. The yell of the cat. The yell of the cat. Oh my goodness. Guys, AceTheHeart wanted me to react to this song. You know, he told me, do this one, do this one. You know, he wants me to do this one. Man, this track is amazingly good. This is a 20 out of 10. Oh my goodness. This is certainly going into my collection. I haven't heard a track with all those melodies in one. It's been a long time since I've heard a track like this. It's a unique track. All the melodies are just so put you in a trance. And as the song kept going, it kept on getting better and better and better. Like, I honestly, guys, I thought this song would have been subpar just based on the title. You have the cat. I thought it would have been more on the more on the, like, you know, basically like the jovial side, to be honest. But wow, what a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant surprise. Guys, I enjoyed every minute of this track. I have to go back and listen to this track when I'm done doing this reaction. No. Everything is on point, man. Guys, you give me more information about Al Stewart. This band is amazing. How many people are in the band? Because I heard so many different instruments there. I mean, it was such amazing, man. The production was so good. Wow. I have to check more from Al Stewart. Fans of Al Stewart, what track should I check out next from him? Hit me up in the comments and I will try my best, you know, to deliver. Oh yes, guys. The Year of the Cat. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends and your family. It'll certainly help me out here on this channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what's on your mind. Dyce Reacts got your back. Feel free to leave some suggestions. Engage with the audience, because that's what we're here for on this channel. We are here for one another, folks, so don't you ever forget that. I'm gonna be doing plenty of reactions tonight. Oh guys, alright, it's in the day. Why am I thinking it's in the night? I'm gonna be doing plenty of reactions today, so you guys stick around for that. I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. This is gonna be it for my reaction. This is where I'm gonna be making my exit. So until next time, peace out.